Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. You'll learn how to change aspect ratio on Wondershare Filmora video editing software. When you're on the software on the home page, you have the option to select it from here. 16 by 9, 9 by 16, and you can also choose other here. So let's say we choose one first. We'll click the new project now with this aspect ratio. Okay, we have opened a project on Wondershare Filmora with this aspect ratio. However, maybe after doing some editing and stuff, you want to change it. You don't like it anymore. You can still do that. You have to go to the file and then go to the project settings. And from here, you'll be able to see like there's option for aspect ratio. You can choose any you want. Let's say like we'll choose this. See, the resolution changed. We'll do another one just to show you by one. See, the resolution changed again. So this is the aspect ratio. Like this is how you change aspect ratio on Wondershare Filmora. If you like the video, please thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks a lot.